right now. Okay. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rudney, and this will be my first YouTube video. And I decided to make it on this opportunity that I found out for rideshare drivers to make extra income while taking trips by literally doing nothing.
I meant trips.
And it's free, so why not? The hell. And it's also gonna be a unpackaging because this just got here today. I applied really not too long ago, and it showed up at my doorstep today. So we're gonna talk about that and the unpackaging, what it all comes with, as well as me installing it in my car. So all that's gonna be in this video, so stay tuned.
I'm going to show how to apply for the free Play Octopus tablet, as well as my personal experience with trying to receive the free tablet, because I did have a hiccup, but I'll show you what I had to do to bypass that. Simply typed in playoctopus.com. I got on their website. I really liked their website. It was very eye-catching. Like, I liked the colors and like how the things popped up, and this is how their site looks. It basically told you everything. Very short, got to the point, very quick. I read a couple of the drivers' reviews to see what other drivers had to say about the tablet. A lot of them were good. The fact that it's free and you don't have to do anything. This is the form you would complete to apply for the free tablet. This is how it would look. You would type in your first name, and then you're gonna type in your last name, and then it's gonna ask you for your email address. You're gonna type in your email address. I typed in John Doe because, you know, for video purposes, I'm just not gonna put my personal information. Definitely gonna copy and paste that. For the phone number, you're gonna put in your phone number, your country. The market area, this is all the areas that they have the tablet available when you apply. So if you're near these areas, or if you live in these areas, the tablet is available in your area. After Washington, D.C., it shows upcoming cities. So these are the upcoming cities where Play Octopus will be coming soon. The very bottom was other, where you would input your zip code and select your city. I live near Austin, so I put Austin. The number of rides per week, minimum ride per week that they ask for is 25 rides per week or 100 rides a month. So I put 25 to 35 per week. You can use my referral code. It is RDN015, and you're all done. This is how a complete form to apply for the free Play Octopus tablet looks like. Receive this email regarding your new Octopus account was successfully created. Once you click apply for tablet, you will be brought to this screen that says you qualify or don't qualify. I believe if you choose that you do less than 25 rides per week, then it'll probably say you don't qualify. But since I click, 25 to 35, I qualified. Once you click get my tablet, you'll be brought to this screen that'll have some of the information that you already inputted before. This is the next step of the application, where you have to input additional information like your primary rideshare company. I drive for Lyft, so I inputted Lyft. Some people drive for Lyft and Uber, so they'll input a secondary rideshare company. They'll ask about vehicle ownership, so you'll choose whether or not if you own, lease, or use a short-term rental to give rideshare rides. They'll also ask for your preferred language, as well as your lifetime total rides given. You'll enter your current rideshare status, whether if you're part-time or if you're full-time. And then after that, you'll enter your shipping address. This will be the address that they ship the free tablet to you, the free Play Octopus tablet. So make sure that you input the exact address. I was just trying to put in a generic address. I don't know whose address this is. I'm just using it for the video. They asked if you're currently using a sneeze guard in your car due to COVID-19. It's the shield, the clear shield that some Lyft drivers or rideshare services have in their vehicles to help fight against COVID. Choose whether to input your Facebook name if you would like to join their Facebook group and see the content that they post. Step 3 is their Play Octopus driver's agreement. You can go ahead and read through that yourself. Step 4 is your driver profile. This will be what your passengers, your riders see on the tablet, information about you. When I applied, I answered every question, but now I changed it and only answered my favorite food because I didn't see the word optional. I felt like it was doing too much, so I just kept it simple. You'll choose your profile picture, and this will be viewable by the passengers. Alright, so boom. Now, this is the page we wanted. The pay page. You can either choose to enter your debit card information or your bank information. This is how they will send you your payments. Oh, and that 50 cent gonna come out that checking, baby. Best believe. Temporary hold, which they give back. This is the last step. You need a screenshot of your driver's profile as well as a screenshot of last week's drive trip. Add your screenshots and click complete. You'll then receive this email acknowledging that you submitted your application. The screenshot I submitted for proof of rides did not get accepted. I literally submitted one that said 24 rides. I applied the same week I found out about this opportunity, so I was just on the go. I was like, dang, I'm just one short. They ain't gonna try me. They tried me. The following week, I think I just did one more extra ride to give me that 25 or 26, and I resubmitted the screenshot. And I immediately got this email saying that my application was under review. I resubmitted my proof November 23rd, 2020. Why they hit me back a couple hours later on the same day saying that my tablet is on the way already. When I was able to start tracking the tablet, the scheduled delivery day was literally 2 days later. I received the tablet November 25th, 2020. I wasn't able to access the driver dashboard until I received my first passenger that played with the tablet. Today is December 14th, 2020, and this is what my driver's dashboard looks like today. I drove the first day I got the tablet. I don't know where that $15 came from. I just checked it one day and it was there and definitely cashed it out. I haven't been driving as much. I don't have that much points to show. Fall semester was coming to an end, so I had to make sure them grades were where I needed them to be. Now let's get into unpackaging. I'm a little slow, so I was having a bit trouble trying to figure out how to open the box. So I called my man like I always do when I'm too lazy to figure shit out, and boy did he make me feel dumb. No, but honestly, when it's like, is that it though? That's all I gotta do? Wow. I was trying to open it like this. I was trying to pull this apart. That's not funny. It came with a driver manual, the tablet, and the mount piece, which has Velcro on it. These 4 hooks will be placed on the 4 corners of the tablet to mount it. The tablet came with a charger and a charger card piece. So I will be showing you how to install the tablet in your vehicle. I had the tablet hooked up to the left, so it was easier to hook up and charge. This is how the tablet looks once it was powered on. This is the driver's profile that you completed during the application profiles that the passengers would be able to see. The tablet comes with its own data, but I think since we just turned it on, it was still trying to collect itself. You'll see us pressing certain buttons just to get a feel of the tablet and different screens that pops up that the passengers would be able to see. End of my first YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you're thinking of becoming a rideshare driver, this is definitely something I would recommend getting. It's literally free, so why not? It could help increase your chances of tips as well. Many of my passengers love it. It has helped me, honestly. And if you have a friend that drives for Uber or Lyft, share this video with them and expose them to this great opportunity to earn up to $100 a month. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you would like more videos. I work on a lot of things. I work on many things. I appreciate your time. Stay safe, stay healthy, and be happy always. And if you're not happy, you should talk to someone. But not for real, you should talk to someone.